Everyone, so what we were looking at today is easy file navigation on an Android. I'm not sure if this third-party app exists for iPhone or anything like that. It might, I'm not sure. Let's go ahead and open. Here's the CX File Explorer. The CX File Explorer, it looks like a blue folder. What is it? It's just a third-party app that helps you sort your files, helps you kind of stay organized. Helps you move files if you need to. I'm not going in the video folder because there might be some stuff that I don't need to be showing YouTube on there. So let's go to the audio folder. Look at this. All of our audio split into various different folders. Here's a new folder with just various songs that I've made. Oh gosh, let's go ahead and go back. Yeah, this the audio images. It just splits it all up into various different folders. Whoops, and backing up again. And look at this. You can even go to the new files. Look at that, new files. It shows the newest file you have at the very top. Yeah, let's see. Yahtzee, fun stuff. And there's the newest WAV file that we have. That's an audio file. Yeah, fun stuff. And let's just say we wanted to move this WAV file. So what we would do is select it. Select the file just to the right of it with a little the checkbox. So the file has been selected. Let's just go ahead and press move. We've pressed move. Now it's kind of like we've cut the file, like on a computer, like cut and paste, or yeah, it's like we've cut the file. So back up, audio. Let's just say we wanted to move it into this folder. So there's an option to paste, bottom right hand corner, right to the right of the cancel. So we just press paste. Well, bam. Let's see. What was that? It was called Blind, and there is our file. It's right there. It is right there. Anyway, so we just moved a file. That was a really easy way to move the file. Let's move it back. So we'll just select the little checkbox. We'll press the move button. It looks like scissors, kind of like a cut, like a Control X on a computer, or a cut. Sorry, Command X on a Mac, but let's just go ahead and press the move button, going back to the folder that we found it in, and just pressing paste. Sorry, excuse me, I got some indigestion. Pressing paste, there it goes. We've put it back in the file. Here is quick and easy file management with an Android, because, I mean, honestly, Androids usually come with a file manager, but they're kind of janky for the most part. I don't know. I think the CX File Explorer is great. I think it's awesome. It's a really easy way to navigate. You can even rename files. Look at this. You can select the file, rename it. You can rename files from your phone. Blind as hell if we wanted to call it that. But let's just leave it how it is. Cancel out of that. And yeah, fun stuff. File exploration on Android.